Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will review Pure.app. Pure.app is a dating app that flips traditional dating on its head. Designed for bold, privacy-conscious user seeking spontaneous, no-string attack encounters. It eliminates the endless sweeping, long browse, and vague small talk that dominate other platforms. It launched in 2012. Pure function more like an Uber or hookups. You simply post a temporary personal ad, connect with someone nearby, and chat for 24 hours before the conversation disappears unless both parties choose to extend it. The app is raw, immediate, and particularly popular among users aged 35 to 40 who want quick, casual, and discreet connections. It prioritizes privacy with no real names, disappearing messages, and photo based verification. Features like instant chat, global/local discovery make it stand out. However, the app requires a subscription for full use. Final thoughts. Pure.app look good on the surface, but do your own research in a very good way. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.